6, sección 30, cuento de Wolf Patch Lock. Ok. Vamos por legendario.
The Wild Patch Look. Junior stands in the yard with a small electric mower and a big smile.
Dad, did you see? I started a lawn mowing business.
That's great, Junior. Did anyone let you cut their grass?
3 neighbors. They all paid me $5. I'm proud. I feel like a big business.
Ya está fácil.
Wow, so fast. But, the grass looks a little wild.
Salvaje.
I think it has style. Like a jungle, but cooler.
Eddie looks at the yards and sees lots of missed patches.
No.
Junior, you promised to mow the whole yard. Are you sure you finished all of them?
It's my own style, Dad. I call it the Wild Patch Look.
It's very unexpected, but the customers might not like it.
Don't worry. I told them it would look good. That's how businessmen talk, right?
Well, I need to fix this now. I can't let the grass stay like this.
Eddie spends his Saturday mowing all
Ya.
Yep.
My arms hurt now, but all the lawns look perfect.
Good job, Dad. You handled that problem like a pro.
Thanks. I just hope you aren't planning any more surprises.
Actually, I was going to start a pool cleaning business. If you buy me a pool,
That would be the most expensive business ever, Junior.
but think how proud you'll be when I'm a pool tycoon.